Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm so glad that you stopped by. I'm just honored for those who are my regular returners. My name is Kristen. I like to put out stories and just whatever in life kind of brings me joy, kind of share that. If I've seen other people share it and I like watching it, then I'm encouraged to do that as well. It is pretty random, so if you want to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, I appreciate that. Please just click on whatever interests you. I try to do a good job of putting in the title what I'm going to talk about. So if you clicked on this one, you know I have my coffee and a classic. I love books and I love reading, and about a year or so ago I decided I was going to go back and read a lot of the classics I hadn't read, and this is a subscription box. I get the basic. It's $25 a month. It comes with a beautiful bound classic book and a couple items that are related to the book, as well as a bookmark. There is one that's more than that, that you get something to eat in addition to the coffee. You can also, if you're not a coffee drinker, they have tea or hot cocoa. So, and you get a mug with the other one as well. I think you do pay for shipping. It's about $12. I have not looked yet. I just slit the tape. So when you open it up, there's lovely quotes, and the box itself is very pretty. And then, whoops, just dropped out the paperwork. Do you see that? I see a cat. Did you see my cat? Casey. Look, she's not a people person. She does not like to be picked up, but this is my kitty cat, Casey, for kitty cat. All right, let me get my paperwork. Oh. Okay. Enter coupon code for Classically Good 10% off online purchase from Rare Bird Coffee. So the coffee is Rare Bird Coffee. And what did I get? It has something to do with, oh, it's To Kill a Mockingbird. How cool. I obviously have read this probably 3 or 4 times in my life. I really enjoy it. I do agree that it's a beautiful classic, that you get something different out of it every life stage that you're in. So this one has roasted Rare Bird coffee, and let's see what else we got. So this, oh, is this a pillow cover? It's like a little pillow cover. It's like a canvas bag, To Kill a Mockingbird. That's pretty cute. Here's the coffee. And I'm not a ginormous coffee drinker, but I do drink coffee every day. And this is actually a good amount of coffee for me. Ooh, this is like a pewter feather. Is this the bookmark? This is gorgeous. Hold on. The metal feather bookmark. So this is the bookmark, y'all. It's a beautiful pewter feather. I love that. That's gorgeous. And the last little bookish item on top comes in this little bag. It's got the stamp on it. I'm trying to get y'all to see, but it's blowing out, sorry. Stamped Coffee and Classic. And let's see what it is. Something to Kill a Mockingbird. It's from Shiny Apple Studio. It's a little, it says ham on it. So, little pin. I'm not sure what I would do with that. That's not very functional necessarily for me, but you know, where she's in the school play or whatnot, and so it's cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but they sent a candle before that was lovely. I used that up. I worked their puzzle that they sent me one time. I loved the puzzle. That was fantastic. Here's the copy. So very nice copy. To Kill a Mockingbird. Beautiful old school timey pages. And I'm sure if you aren't familiar with the book, there's lots and lots of reviews on it. I probably will reread this one again now that I have this copy, read this exact copy again, and probably enjoy that. I have about 7 books on my nightstand waiting to be read, so this will probably go at the bottom of that stack. Not sure I'll get to it this month, but I actually was thinking that I might do a little book review. I read about 5 books in the month of September, so I'm thinking that's another video. I'm a little behind on my videos, but if you are interested in some of those things or just want to check them out, please come back and visit me, and I look forward to spending more time with you. If you want to check out this subscription, I'll leave the link below, Coffeeana Classic. It's a really fun box, and I love the surprise and a new good book. Y'all have a blessed day.